Alright guys, Alpha Wolf here. So this video is going to be a very interesting one, loaded with quality. I promise you guys. I have been trading a particular pattern. It's something I discovered, so I just dish out my other trading strategies and patterns, and I focus on this one, and this one literally has changed the game a lot. The beautiful thing is that I have made a lot of money trading this pattern in a short period of time, and when I backtest it on cryptocurrencies, on stocks, anything that is tradable, and it works all the time. Okay, so let me do something most traders will not do. I'm going to open my Bybit dashboard and show you guys. Let's see. Now this is my Bybit dashboard, and you can see, all right, you can see my cumulative PNL is like 71.85%. now if you look at, you can see that from this dashboard there's a time the blue line was down, and all of a sudden it just moved up, and then it is over 70 something percent right now. So before it was minus 17%. Then I was trading my other strategy. Sometimes I make good profit, sometimes I lose money to the market, but when I started trading this strategy, my profit became very massive. All right, then if you scroll up, you're going to see this. I don't trade every day. You can see that this particular time I took some loss trade, came here, make some money, lose this, make some money, and boom, look at it. You know, this is the game changer, and there's a strategy behind this. This strategy has gone through a lot of back testing, a lot of proof, a lot of people trade it, people that are very profitable, but it is not really out there, and if it is, a lot of people don't know how to use it. So I'm going to show you guys the strategy, and yes, we're going to use it to analyze a trade that I took. Okay, so let me open my, what do you call it? Okay, the last trade I took with this strategy, I think that was yesterday, on my trading view, I made over 300% profit on this trade. Okay, now I'm going to open my chart and I'm going to show you guys the trade, then we can now talk about the strategy. Look at the trade here, look at it, this particular trade. If you look at it, this trade is risk to reward ratio 1:13. I was risking 1% to get 13%, and the trade went very smooth where I was expecting it to get to. You know, I was taking profit, you know, till I got to the last point before the market reversed, and it is the same strategy I'm using to observe this market. All right, now the strategy is very simple. The strategy is the market reversal pattern. The market reversal pattern. Now, if you understand market structure, right, you're going to see that when the market is moving, the market moves like this. Let me get a canvas, let me get a space to draw. So if the market is moving, market moves like this. From here, the market will create a higher high, and come here to create a higher low, then to go here to create a higher high, and to come here to create a higher low. It's going to go here to create a higher high, and this one, when you see something like this, this is what we call a uptrend. Okay, this is it. So you say the market is in an uptrend, and in this uptrend you begin to buy. So what you do is buy in key areas. This place you buy here in an uptrend. All right, you buy here when there's a pullback. So when this market moves up to this place, there's a pullback here, you buy here. All right, so if the market moves up to this place and there's a pullback here, what do? You buy in this place, you buy here. Okay, see the market now reverse. Now the thing is, when the market is moving like this, most of the time, what you're doing is you are joining the market. Okay, the market will move, you wait for a pullback, then you join. The market will move, you wait for a pullback, then you join. The market will move, you wait for a pullback, you join. And it's the same thing in a downtrend. All right, in a downtrend, the market is here, it comes here, just a second. So in a downtrend, the market is coming down like this, then it comes here, create a lower high, go like this again, create another one, go like this again, create another one, go like this again, create another one. And what you're doing is similar to what you do in an uptrend. When the market pulls back here, you join here, right? Now, okay, so basically this is how you trade a trending market. When the market is already moving up and you want to join, you wait for a break, a retest, and you enter. They call it the break and the retest strategy, or you call it the pullback strategy. When the market moves up, it comes back, you enter, you follow the market up, you take your profit. The market pulls back, you come in, you enter, like that. But to be very profitable, this strategy is not what we'll be focusing on today. Now, my strategy that I use to make a lot of money is called the reversal strategy. Now, the strategy is entering the market the point the market is about to reverse. So let's say the market is coming down, is falling down. This strategy is how you can know when the market is about to turn around and start going up. So you enter and you are able to position yourself in a place where you are using a very tight stop loss and your profit margin is very big. So let's say the market is coming down like this, it's falling like this, and then it's creating lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then you understand? Let's just represent the lower high and the lower low with a line. Now, if the market comes to somewhere here, okay, how do you know this market is about to reverse? Now, how do you know in this place the market has been coming down and the market gets here? How do you know the market is about to reverse? Your ability to know this market is about to reverse is where the money is. Okay, so the market has been coming down. Now this is a red zone. Okay, so this is a red zone. You can call it a resistance area, you can call it a supply zone, whatever you choose to call it. But the market has been falling from here, okay, and then the market has been coming. Then this green zone, let's say, is the support zone. Now, as the market has been coming, people have been trading this market. How do you know the market is about to reverse, and how do you enter? If you are able to figure this out, that is where we make a lot of profit. Because if you know the market is going to reverse here and you can enter somewhere in this place where this market is going to reverse, let's say somewhere around there, and your stop loss is below this zone, okay, something like this, below the zone, then your take profit is here. This is already a 1.795 risk to reward ratio. So you are risking very little to get massive profit. Now that is where this trading strategy is, because if you're trading break and retest pattern, you'll be taking risk to reward ratio 1:2, 1:3, in most cases, because the more the market is moving forward, the more the trend is getting weaker. But if you are taking the reversal pattern, what you'll be trading is a higher risk to reward ratio. All right, because you are entering the market at the point where the market is about to reverse, and you are riding this market till the market gets to another point where it's about to reverse. So how do you know? So I'm going to show you something that can make you know when the market is about to reverse. You're going to see a pattern like this. All right, now this pattern is called the double top pattern or the double bottom pattern. All right, you can see something like this. Okay, if the market is coming down, you can see something like this, or you can even see the triple 1, 2, 3. All right, you can see something like this. Once this is the pattern that we trade, but to trade this pattern you need some things, because the pattern is very good, but how you can know it's time for you to enter, you need some things, and you need to be able to interpret the market well. So what do you need? You need market structure, you need to understand price pattern, and you also need to understand candlesticks. Okay, so you need to understand market structure, because market structure is going to show you this trend of the market, the direction the market is going to. Okay, then when you get there, market structure is also going to show you key areas and zones, areas like this, where you can observe this market, that the market has potential of reversing in this place. Because if you look at that, my trade that I took yesterday that gave me the massive profit. The question you asked me is, how did you know that this market was going to reverse somewhere around there? All right, how did you know? Now the thing is, the first place I was targeting was here, the second place was down here. So when it broke this place with strong volume, I knew it was going to continue to go down, so I clocked some of my profit and I kept holding. The reason is because I can see through my understanding of market structure that this place is a key zone of demand, because the last time price came to this place, the price just moved upward, so most likely the price comes here again, the chance that the price is going to reverse and go upward is very high. Okay, but then back to this place, how did I know it was time for me to enter in this place? The same strategy, understanding market structure, key zones, and price pattern, because even in this particular place, this place you're seeing, that pattern showed. If I turn this chart to a line chart, all right, okay, and I zoom it like this, you can see it formed the M pattern. Look at it. Let me mark this area, the M. You can see it here, the reversal pattern. And if you notice, I put my stop loss above the reversal pattern and I took my take profit, and boom, that was it. And if you notice, the market just went straight down. So because of that, I was able to catch a good trade. Now if it was in a buying position, what I would have been doing is, when the market comes to this zone, I'll be waiting for my W pattern. So the market is coming here, I'll wait for the market to show signs. Okay, buyers are beginning to step in. I don't know if they are about to push the market up or not. I wait again. So sellers take the market over from the buyers, but they cannot push to create a lower low. So the buyers step in again to maintain this zone, and boom, I'm observing. Then the market comes and breaks this previous high, which gives me a sign that at this point buyers are beginning to control the market. Then there's a pullback to retest the position, and boom, I enter and I take my profit here, if I'm trading conservatively. But if I'm trading aggressively, there's a way I can catch this trade very, very fast and very, very high. So basically the point is, my ability to see where the market is going to reverse is what makes me way more profitable. And how do you know this? You need to understand market structure, you need to understand key zones, you need to understand momentum, and you need to understand price pattern, candlestick, and confirmation. These things are not difficult. They are not difficult, you understand. But I will not be able to teach everything in this video. For people that you have knowledge of market structure and other things, and you have been thinking of a profitable trading strategy that can work for you, if you're able to use this reversal pattern and add it to whatever you're doing, you're going to see instant results. You understand? But if you don't know how to, you want me to go to give you further teaching and explanation about everything together, maybe I should take it one after the other, you can leave a comment in this video and I'll do well to explain it to you. But basically, the strategy is what I just revealed to you. If you understand this strategy well and you're able to catch your catch your trade in a supply or a demand area, just go and relax. You're going to make a lot of profit. And in the case where the market decides to act funny, when you lose, you're going to lose very little. The trade I took a trade today. I was thinking, because I was seeing the pattern set up, but then there was a resistance here, so I marked it. So this was my TP1. All right, so I closed some profit in this place, but unfortunately the market reversed, and it reversed with very strong force, and guess what, it broke the resistance area. You understand? But then I did not really take loss because I'd taken some profit. But even if it had resulted to a losing trade, I would have lost very little. You understand? And this trade where I ended up taking my profit was a risk to reward ratio 1:3, which was not bad. Okay, yeah, somewhere around there. So the risk to reward ratio 1:3. Let me change back to candlesticks. Okay, and that was not bad before the market reversed. So if you understand this, you will do well and you become way more profitable. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. If you want me to teach you more about stuff like this, do well to leave a comment in this video and I would go on to teach other things. Alright, so if you really understand what I'm trying to explain here, then the next thing you need to do is to take this particular strategy I've given you, backtest it, and then you can improve on it and know how to apply it. Okay, So if you find this content helpful, you need me to make more videos and other things, don't forget to leave a comment, like my video, share the video so that others can benefit from it, and then tell me the one you want to learn. If every other thing, if you want me to talk about the market structure and other things I've highlighted in my explanations, then I can go on to make videos on them individually. I love you guys and I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.